Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. So today we are with you on another video related to Flow Masterclass. So today the business problem is that we would like to count the contacts related to an account. So let's say this is an account, it has already four contacts and you can see the count of contacts here is 4. So let's say if I add another contact here, then the number should increase to 5. I can show it to you. So let's say we want to add a new contact here. Contact 5, 5 at the rate contact.com. And if I create this new contact, you can see here the count of contact has increased from 4 to 5. Now let's look at the flow. So this is our flow related to counting of contacts on account. So here you can see the record is updated or created, and this record triggered flow, it is created on contact, and it will fire whenever a new contact is created, and you can also fire it when you want to have update on contact as well. Then here it is our first decision element. So there you will check if an account is found related to the contact which is created or which is updated. So there you can use the triggering contact here, and you can get account ID and you can check if it is null. If the account ID is not null, then get all related contact associated with the account. So there you will see with the account ID I'm getting all the contacts which are related to account. So it might be that this account has only one contact, all right, but it this account can also have more than one contact. In that case, I want to fetch not only one account but all the contact related to this account. That's why I have chosen it as all record, not first record. Okay, and then I automatically want to store all the fields. Then I come to the another decision element. There I want to check if the count of contact is null, because if it is null then we don't have to do anything. But if it is not null, then what we have to do, then it means there are already contact related to account. So if it is one contact, then it is simple. But we have to create our flow not only for one contact but related to the scenario where an account can also have more than one contact. So if this account has more than one contact, then what we are going to do, we are going to loop all the contacts. So this is related to the for loop, where let's say you have a lot of balls in a bucket, and what does this for loop does? It gets one item at a time. So this loop, it's going to work similar to the for loop. Now we are fetching each contact via contact ID, and we are assigning it to a variable where contact which we have created. And then what we are going to do, I will show you this where contact variable as well. So you can see that this where contact variable, it is of record type, and the object on which it is created as is contact. So there you see I'm getting contact ID one by one, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add all these contact into a collection variable. Now here you see this variable. I have created another variable which is a collection, and in this collection I'm adding all the contact variable one by one. So it means this is a basket which is empty, and there this is the basket which had, let's say, contacts here, and then I'm adding each contact in this basket one by one. All right. Then I will assign it to loop all contact. I will put it back, and then after last item, I need to count. So I created another variable which is where count contact, and this variable will store the count of contact. So as you can see here, I have used this operator equals count, and the collection variable is what we saw previously. And this where count contact, it will be of number. I can show it to you as well. Here the data type is number. So what would happen after last item, the count will get stored in this variable count contact, and then I have this update element. So what I'm going to do, I'm fetching up the account which is related to the contact that triggered this flow. All right, so that's our original contact, and there I have a custom field which is named as count of contact, and in this custom field I'm going to put the value of where count contact which we got from our last assignment. And what would this do? It will update the value of count in this custom field, and this custom field is the same which you are seeing on my screen. So whenever you will add or you will create a new contact, the count will get increased. At present, I have made this flow very simple. I haven't added the condition if you delete a contact, then this count should decrease. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe it, and then I will be back with another video on flow in my flow master class playlist. Thank you.